Hey everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back. We've all heard that dogs can sense human emotions. They know when we're scared, nervous, or upset. But dogs aren't the only animals that can do this. Recent scientific research shows that horses can sense human fear too. Not through body language or tone of voice, but through smell. Researchers found that when humans feel fear or stress, the body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones change the chemical makeup of our sweat. To us, the smell doesn't seem different, but to animals with highly sensitive noses, it creates a very clear signal. Scientists call these chemical signals chemosignals. They're made up of tiny airborne compounds that change depending on our emotional state. In a controlled study, researchers collected sweat samples from people while they watched frightening videos and while they watched happy ones. Those scent samples were then presented to horses during a series of tests involving unfamiliar objects, sudden movements, and interactions with humans. The results were striking. Horses exposed to fear-related scents showed higher heart rates. They were more alert, more cautious, and more hesitant to approach people. When exposed to happy or neutral scents, the horses remained calmer and more relaxed. This tells us something important. Horses aren't reading our emotions the way humans do. They're detecting physical signals that evolution taught them to notice. Unlike dogs, which evolved this sensitivity through domestication and close cooperation with humans, horses evolved it for survival. As prey animals, horses are hardwired to detect danger early. If something nearby is afraid, there's probably a reason. What's fascinating is that this communication happens without words, gestures, or even awareness. We don't have to act afraid for a horse to sense it. Our bodies give us away. The research suggests that emotional signals can cross species boundaries. That means our internal state can directly influence the animals around us, whether we realize it or not. So the next time an animal seems uneasy around you, it may not be reacting to what you're doing. It may be reacting to what you're feeling. Sometimes animals understand us more clearly than we understand ourselves. If you enjoyed this campfire conversation, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to help our community grow.